Hey there, thinking of moving to Northwest Arkansas? This is Thad Skidmore with Flat Fee Realty. We're going to continue our series on new construction within the 500 to 600,000 range. We did Bella Vista. Today we're doing Bentonville. We are at Woodlands Crossing subdivision. This one is 2160 square feet. You're going to get 4 bedrooms, 2.5 bathrooms with this one. The price on this one is $541,000. So this one is new construction, just got finished. I will show you the agent's name. It's a Coldwell Banker listing, and we'll get going on this one. All right, we're at 3300 Rosemont in Bentonville. This one is 2150 square feet, 4 bedrooms, 2.5 bathrooms, 300 Rosemont, and this is priced out at $541,000. Listed by Coldwell Banker. Nishanti, shout out to Nishanti, doing an open house Sunday from 2 to 4. This one is agent owned. As you can see, there is some new construction going in this subdivision. It's called Woodlands Crossing. Woodlands Crossing. All right, so your master or primary is going to be on the main floor, and then all 3 other bedrooms are upstairs. We'll go there here in a second. But this is what you get in the 500K range in Bentonville. Open floor plan. We've seen a lot of kitchens that have windows above the sink. That used to be kind of the old school thing. It must be coming back, where you've got windows above the kitchen sink. Pretty good open floor plan. LVP gas fireplace. Got a little storage spot under the stairs, so no wasted space there. Then you've got a half bathroom right off the entry. Always like having those half baths right off the garage, because most people come in through the garage. First thing I do, I'm going to the bathroom. Just transparency, folks. That is what I do. I'm sure there's some people out there that can relate. Got another storage closet, laundry room. I don't know what this is. Oh, cool. Put the dirty clothes in. Place to store the dirty clothes, so you can take your dirty clothes from the bedroom where you've maybe been storing it, and then store it in the laundry room if you're a procrastinator like me and you want to put it somewhere close to the laundry room but not actually put it in the washer dryer room. All right, you've got your master bathroom, dual sinks. Love these pocket doors. Nice walk-in shower. Looks like you got this, again, tiled all the way to the ceiling, which is nice. Walk-in closet. Woodlands Crossing subdivision in Bentonville is where we're at. 3300 Rosemont. Let's go upstairs. So this is where the guest rooms are, or the kids' rooms. If you got a big family, you've got 3 bedrooms up here with a bathroom that they can share. They can fight over. Put them up here. Looks like the attic space. Closets are decent size for kids. Or you might have an in-law that you want to put up here. This is your 4th bedroom. And then shared bathroom, dual sinks as well, I believe. Yep. Got a light in the shower, then another light straight above. So yeah, that one is 3,300 Rosemont, Woodlands Crossing subdivision, 541,000. This one's 4 bedrooms, 2.5 bathrooms, around 2,150 square feet. Hope you enjoyed this one, and we'll go to the next. Also, real quick on 3,300 Rosemont, you do have a covered patio. I didn't shoot that. Wanted to give you kind of an idea of the yard. Good location. Looks like you're pretty much mostly brick on your exterior. Let's go to the next one. Hey there, we are at 3402 Southwest Scoggins Road. This is Aurora subdivision. This one is priced out at $639,800. Doesn't look like it's completely finished yet, but we will go in and take a look. This one is listed by the Limbird Real Estate Group. Limbird team, Andrea Woody is the listing agent on it. These are low maintenance yards. You've got the AstroTurf. I believe your POA is going to take care of everything else. So no mowing, which is nice. 2 pools, playgrounds, clubhouse, dog park, bike repair, sports court. This one's pretty much got it all. If you're looking for easy living, you don't want to spend your weekends on the outside doing lawn work or gardening or keeping up with the landscaping, and enjoy your time biking or doing whatever you want to do on the weekends or week. This is going to be a good community. Aurora subdivision, 639,800. 3 bedroom, 2 bathrooms. It's 2,298 square feet. Let me see if I can get us in there, and I'll shoot you an outside pic of it. Like I said, it's not completely done, but they are going to do an open house Friday, so they must be pushing to get an open house Friday, Saturday, and Sunday open houses. I believe Christina from Limbird team is going to be doing the open house Friday night. But yeah, let's take a look at this one. All right, so we're here at 3402 Scoggins, Aurora subdivision. These are awesome plans. We're gonna take you through this. This is all one level, 2,200 square feet. Basically, it's maintenance-free living. It has all your amenities, playgrounds for the kids. You've got two swimming pools, walking trails around the subdivision if you want to walk around the subdivision. Here's a bedroom as well. I really like the layout of these. These are listed by Limbird Real Estate Group. Andrea Woody is the listing agent. They will be doing open houses out here Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. So if you're going to be in this area in Bentonville, it'd be a great one to come and see. Open house. You've got 2 bedrooms on this side. with your bathroom. Got your laundry room right here. A lot of top-notch finishes. Laundry room comes out to the kitchen area. I believe they're offering some incentives as well on these floor plans, so come check them out. But yeah, remember I was talking about the maintenance-free yard. I wanted to show you that. If that's what you're looking for, kind of a community to where you have all the amenities, but you don't have to worry about maintenance, lawn mowing, or keeping up with the landscaping. These are great for that. This is your AstroTurf area. Set up a little putt-putt course. But yeah, maintenance free for the most part. And you've got a huge living space right when you walk in. Open floor plan. And then your master, so you've got the master on one side and the other two guest bedrooms. Another huge walk-in shower with a soaker tub. Has a seated area as well. These are designed really nice. And then gas fireplace. To show you the garage as well. So as kids come in, they can hang their backpacks, take their shoes off right there. Then you have the epoxy garage floor as well. So plenty of room for 2 vehicles to get in here. But nicely done. Hope this helps you guys. If you're buying in 9 days or 90 days, please let me know. You can email me at thad@thadsaleshomes.com, or you can call me at 479-200-0863. Thad Skidmore, Flat Fee Realty. Hope you enjoyed the tour. Hey, just wanted to let you know I said Scoggins was not completed, but as you can see in the tour, it is completed. It's ready to go. Open houses Friday, Saturday, and Sunday by the Lindbergh Real Estate Group. If you have any questions, feel free to give me a call, 479-200-0863. Thank you.